Hi there, folks. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 5120 Volusia Avenue here in Titusville, Florida. And folks, I am sitting out on this amazing patio. So this patio runs the entire length of this home. It is crazy big. So we're going to go all the way down to the other side. I'm going to turn around and show you so you can get a good feel for how large this patio really is. And nobody loves anything more than sitting outside and relaxing. So check that out, folks. Do you have a mango tree out back that is needing to come back to life after the little cold freeze we had? Because we do not get cold here very often, and our plants do not like it. So again, folks, I'm at 5120 Volusia Avenue here in Titusville. This home is just going on the market. So if this is something you might be looking for, this gorgeous outside area, you got a really cool shed, so plenty of space for all your outside equipment. Nice little yard back here. We are in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. We've got a newer roof, new AC, gas water heater. We have cameras all over the house, folks. Those get to stay with the home, so you'll have a camera system already there. 2-car garage. So plenty of amazing things. And I know you're thinking, folks, why is she not bringing us inside? Why are we not getting to see these 3 big bedrooms? The primary's walk-in closet. The fact that it's got a formal dining room. It's got a formal living room. And it's got a family room. So why am I keeping you out back and not showing you inside? Because, folks, I want you to call me. I want you to call me. I want you to text me. I want you to Google this address, 5120 Volusia Avenue here in Titusville, Florida. And then I want you to come see this house in person. Because a video is just a video. You got to walk in. You got to feel. You got to see what you like. But I'm on an amazing, quiet street. As you can see, all you can hear the whole time I've been out here, the birds chirping. So give me a call, shoot me a text, or call your agent and get in here and see 5120 Volusia Avenue. My number is 321-480-7662. Again, 321-480-7662. I hope to talk to you soon before this little gem is off the market. Thanks a lot. Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast realtor, signing off here in Titusville, Florida, at 5120 Volusia Avenue.